Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
There is disquiet in the ranks of the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA this evening as some members want to leave the 58-year-old organization.
Some teachers told our news center that their desire to leave is being frustrated by the current JTA executive. Giovanni Dennis reports.
The association has withdrawn with immediate effect the instrument used to cease membership within the organization. For clarity, this is the form teachers usually complete to withdraw their membership. But General Secretary of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Dr. Mark Nicely, said members who wish to discontinue will now have to call regional offices to do so. That has not gone down well with some teachers.
I am feeling very upset right now because the recent action by the Secretary General highlighted the fact that we cannot withdraw our membership from the JTA, which we wish to do, because we have to seek consultation from the regional offices in order to do this. This is dictatorship at its highest level.
The teachers say scores of members no longer want to be a part of the JTA and believe they are now being held hostage by Wednesday's move by the leadership.
This is what our heroes fought against. This is an infringement on our God-given right of choice. And we are saying this cannot be something that is just glossed over. It cannot be business as usual.
The group of teachers who have organized themselves in various WhatsApp group chats are calling for other members to take a stand.
This is a call to action by all teachers of Jamaica to rise up against this. What is going to be next? We cannot just let this one pass. We have to send a strong message to the JTA and withdraw our membership immediately.
The teachers we spoke with are upset at how the compensation review process was handled by the JTA. Calls and a WhatsApp message to the General Secretary Dr. Mark Nicely went unanswered. Calls to the President Lasagna Harrison also went unanswered. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.